This video shows how to generate an exploded view by using the previous assembled roller guide. First, we are using the background mode to edit the title block. Double-click each box to open the text editor window. Make sure you capitalize your letters. Always make sure you use Safe Management to save your files at the very beginning in case of the computer crash. To keep the consistency, use the product name as your drawing file name. Switch back to the working view to generate the exploded view. First, we use the isometric view icon to generate the isometric assembled roller guide. Let's continue to use the isometric view icon to generate the exploded view. Make sure you click the exploded view under the Generate Scene to generate the exploded view. Now we're going to reduce the scale by half. Since we're going to generate the numberings on the exploded view, we're going to double click the frame of the exploded view to make the exploded view to be our primary view. And then we can use balloon generation to label the parts. Adjust the position of the numbering. After that, we're going to create the bill of material. Click Insert, Generation, Bill of Material, Bill of Material. Click the drawing to see the bill of material. You can always double-click the table to see the frames. You can click the vertical bar or the horizontal bar to adjust the rows or the columns. You can also double-click the cell to open the text editor window to edit each cell. The last column we want to show the material. Make sure you follow the given information to put in the material properties. Change the font size to 2.5 millimeter. And then to convert the text to uppercase, we're going to choose the font style as a copperplate Gothic light. You can press down the Shift key to adjust the position of the table. It's a copperplate Gothic light. At this moment, we finished the generation of the exploded view. You can always convert the drawing into a PDF file. You can also right-click the folder to generate and compress the folder. Now you are ready to submit your compressed folder. Make sure you choose the folder. You can also leave the comments. After that, you will be able to see the submitted information from the upper right corner. This concludes the completion of the exploded view.